Okay, so we're recording now. We're just coming along. What's this road, Livo?
Beenleigh, Redland Bay Road.
Okay, so as you can see, most of the time when we come along through here, the traffic flow is pretty okay because it's 2 lanes, and then you go past the lights here and it starts to go to 1 lane. So from what we understand, this is a section of road which will be eventually upgraded to 2 lanes either way.
You've got plenty of room both sides of the road here to pump it out 1 lane. It's already been gazetted to go an extra lane wide, and it's not going to be a motorway as such. It's just going to carry more traffic. With what's going on with the population explosion out at Redland Bay, they're going to have to do something to accommodate the amount of traffic that's already flowing here, but it's going to be extremely increased. But if we do the crossover that takes us across the Logan River over to the Coomera connector, which will be connecting at the Jacob's Well.
So as we're coming through here, sorry to interrupt you, we're coming through here and we've got what's known as the California Creek area.
We're going to have to walk this doing a bit of bridge work.
So once again, this is area that they are designating that they will be upgrading to 2 lanes either way.
Yep.
Where we're approaching now, it's the connection to Mount Cotton. You'll see that as we come around through this area that there's plenty of room for this 2 lane either way through here. And as Livo just said, it doesn't have to be a freeway, it's merely an upgrade of the road. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's only an upgrade through here to handle the extra traffic that will be flowing through here.
So they have to be careful coming through here in some aspects back there where the wetland area is that correct?
Yeah, I believe it's protected wetland.
Okay, so what we're approaching now is what, Rob?
The end of Mount Cotton Road. This is where they intend to go straight across to our right here and cross the Logan River down there and have their interchange into the back of the Eagleville wetlands.
And this is designated to open up to 2 lane either way or not?
Yeah, all the way through here, all the way through to Redland Bay. And as you see, there's plenty of room both sides of the road here. There's no big drama. Even the school's right off the road here.
And you'll see that as you come up on the right there.
And I'm pretty sure they'll have pull-off lanes and all that, so the school will still be able to handle their school traffic. And as you see, there's plenty of room both sides here all the way along.
So what you're proposing with your alternative is no connection back there over the river?
No.
And down into Eagleby, is that correct?
No, we don't want to bring it into the back of Eagleby.
Okay, so over there we can see the other route that it would come through behind that mountainy thing over there. And whereabouts will it be crossing here, or you suggest that it does? Is a little way on from here, or?
Just past the river sands here, we've got Ferry Road will come in on the right hand side here. Once again, see all the way along here, plenty of room both sides of the road. And we're just about up to Ferry Road, which is where I propose they can have, it'll be either you can class it as the start or the end of their motorway. I won't class it as a freeway that the Coomera connector will be. It'll just be a relief road to take pressure off the M1.
So you don't see any real problem here with having the connector coming off up here and along this road?
Well, all this road here is already going to be beefed up, so Logan River, taking you over to the Jacobswell Stapleton Road interchange over there, will relieve a lot of the traffic coming this way from Redland Bay that has to go down the Gold Coast way. And
well, it will mean an increase of traffic along here because there'll be all sorts of traffic coming off the connector.
if they're using it as a relief road to get to Mount Cotton or anywhere like that, that's only natural. That's where, just here was Ferry Road.
So back there, that's where it'll be coming out.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that on our way back. That'll probably be another video. But what I'm doing now is I'm looking a little bit further east on where we can propose to bring another connector in. It has been suggested not to just have the one alternative, but to bring a few more ideas to the table on where they can bring it out to.
Okay, so how long will we be travelling along this road here? Is that... through here, obviously?
Yeah, all this is still proposed to be
Upgraded.
dual carriageway.
And where does this road actually lead? Does it lead to the Redland area?
It brings us to Redland Bay.
Yeah.